Yes. He was held up in the office.
Okay.
It's a pleasure. Thank you. Brother and friend, Nnagu, my colleagues, members of the media, distinguished ladies, a philanthropist by excellence, a nationalist who has really came to this world and conquered, a mentor across the Niger, somebody who left a good name for this family and for the Igbo nation, somebody who has been a stabilizer of our national cohesion, that we lost him recently. As a party, he has contributed positively to the growth and development of the party, as an elder and as a mentor, an opinion leader, a member of the board of trustees. We really missed him because of his stabilizing presence in any of our deliberations, even by virtue of his being a member of our party. We are very proud of him. Nigerians are proud of him. He has gone beyond partisan consideration or ethnic cleavages. For those of us who are media, who have media background, we cannot forget his colossus position in the profession. He brought professionalism and mentorship in the system. His vast business empire spanned over so many areas. But it is good to say that our father was a role model. And it is not a flattery to say that those are the crop of Nigerians that were missing and every day missing. For the Nigerian nation, the PDP will miss him, and that's why we're here with all the organs of the party. On behalf of myself, my colleagues, the governors, the NWC, the BoT members across the state, and members of the National Assembly caucuses of the Senate and the House of Reps, to pay our respect and condolences to this irreparable loss. May God in his infinite mercy give us the fortitude and the courage to bear this very big loss. Thank you very much.
It warms my heart to see that you've come to visit us, to condole with us. Yes, you've come to wipe away our tears. The family has been grief-stricken. People say chief for us, but we cannot question the Almighty God. He was our everything, and the family will not be the same. But we will do our best to continue with his legacy in building a formidable family. And that's what will make him so happy. We know that no one lasts forever. But if you ask me, I would like to ask God, Biko, please, you should have given him a little bit of extension, but God knows the best. I can tell you why this visit is quite, heartwarming for us. My father was one of the founding fathers together of PDP. And he had been there since the foundation. He stood for the party. He was a member of BoT. And I know he was a general in the sense that when elections are up, I can see him 2 a.m., 3 a.m., he's all over the place. He used his resources, he used his energy, and he worked hard for a great party until the year he thought that he would retire from active politics not too long ago. So your presence and your visit is something that really, really we are very grateful for. And today we're going to celebrate him at the Economic Center, 4 o'clock, a service of song and tributes, you know, and we'll be very happy to have you there. We're really very happy to see you, and we look forward to you coming to Owerri. You know, there's a burial coming up on November 1st. And then before that, we're going to have service of songs at Enugu. I'll give you all the details. Please, if you have time, it would be nice for you to join us and celebrate my father's life and legacies. Once again, I thank you very much. You know, may God bless you. Thank you, Your Excellency.
We don't want to over politicize our business. Thank you. Can you give somebody